Any
Yes.
tips for script writing? I can always write a concept, but don't know how to spin it into a script. So I'm just actually going to talk about that
No,
because I think
sure.
it's a very valid question. So I think script writing is a serious skill. Like I said, everybody has a concept. The most important part of writing a script is actually to first time your script, because everybody can write long dialogues. You've got to
Yes.
now nail it between 30 seconds and 40 seconds. So what you
Yes.
need to do is that it's the classic saying of the lesser you can write, the more effective it will be. You have to
Yes.
imagine the film exactly how it will play out. So you have to say, you know what, film opens on let's say Samir sitting at his desk talking to Arun, and you can take leap of faith. It doesn't have to be linear writing. From there, you can actually straight cut to saying Samir picks up a Coke and has a sip from his Coca-Cola. It doesn't
Sure.
have to be
Sure.
linear, as long as, because there are tricks in filmmaking where which I wish I could elaborate a little bit more on, where in editing you have something called jump
Sure.
cuts.
Sure. Please.
So when you do jump cuts, it's the eye is trained for that, because you have seen movies where I can jump from this scene to a completely different scene to a completely different scene, and you can actually use that. So you can pack in a lot of stuff into 30 seconds and still not make it feel like it is rushed. The mistake a lot of people do in writing a script is that they write long dialogues. Actually, you need to write enough. So if, for example, if you're writing a 30-second script, ideally the dialogue should not be longer than 20 seconds, because you also need to factor in that there between characters there will be pauses. So if I'm talking to you, I will pause, you will have a reaction, then you will respond. So those are all things that you need to factor into.
So very clearly, it is about time management. It's about management. It's about integration of lot of things which one person goes through during the entire journey. Looks like.
Also, I think, Samir, just one more point I want to talk about, and I think that a lot of people, I know, and I've met BMM students when they get into the field of let's say creative, and I'm just emphasizing on creative a little
Yeah.
bit,
Yeah. Please.
because I think I'm getting a lot of questions from the creative
On
field. Is
filmmaking
that
creative.
I think what happens is that writing is a skill that you hone over a period of time. Again, like I said, you have to keep writing. You have to keep writing, keep expressing yourself. Write a blog, write headlines, write. Just keep writing. It will not be like on day one your writing will be that you will
Visible.
be in the Salman Rushdie league, right? If Salman Rushdie didn't become Salman Rushdie on day one, he kept writing. You have to be okay to write first not so good, then mediocre, then you
Oh.
will, then as you hone it, as you get a handle on words, as you, and it could be in any language. Like I said, if you're proficient in Marathi, write in Marathi. If you're proficient in Hindi, write in Hindi. Whatever language you're proficient with, but just practice the art of writing. It is something that just keeps getting better, and you will get more and more confident about it.